Hi, my name is Nathan. I've put this video together for MA to help explain a little bit about myself, my experience, and also the up-and-coming dry needling workshop, which I'm running for MA. So my qualifications are primarily exercise physiology and myotherapy. My work experience is primarily multidisciplinary healthcare clinics. I've also taught for a number of years, and my wife and I have put together a small business called Endless Motion, which facilitates physiotherapy, exercise physiology, and myotherapy. The course goes through a whole bunch of best practice dry needling. We go through the techniques. We go through clinical reasoning. We work within that clinical reasoning framework, which means we can change some of those robust techniques we teach and change your application based on the client presentation. Discussing these scenarios is really effective in helping us as clinicians understand great ways of applying the techniques for better outcomes.